Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change display language in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Time and Language from the left side list. Click on Language and Region. Click on Windows Display Language. You can choose the language from the drop-out list. If you have only one language in the list, you can always add more. Click on Add Language button. Type the language name into the search line, or scroll through the list by hand. Click on the language and click on Next. Check Installation Options, Language Pack, Handwriting, and Set as my Windows Display Language. Click on Install. Wait until it's done. You can edit the language pack if you want. Click on the language that you need. Click on the three dots and choose Language Options from the list. Click on Windows Display Language. You can choose the language from the dropout list. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!